Not just knowing something, it's not just having experience with something. How often do we see people who you've seen, go through some life, go through different experiences, and you feel like there are lessons that they should have learned, but then they don't apply those lessons? Okay, wisdom is the application of the knowledge. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello. Great morning, awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today's episode is all about, I titled it Proving Wisdom. Proving wisdom. There you go. Say that 5 times fast. I'm also only on my second cup of coffee this morning, but I wanted to hop on here really quickly and break this down a little bit, okay? Proving wisdom. And this specifically goes in line with teaching your courses, creating the content for your courses, but also selling your courses. Also, it's just a general rule of thumb, right? So many people are caught up trying to prove that they know what it is that they know. And the literal definition in my book of wisdom is actually applied knowledge. So it's not just knowing something, it's not just having experience with something. How often do we see people who you've seen, go through some life, go through different experiences, and you feel like there are lessons that they should have learned, but then they don't apply those lessons? Okay, wisdom is the application of the knowledge. That's super important. And this is one of my qualms. This is one of my issues with traditional education is it doesn't necessarily provide the opportunities for us to apply what it is that we're learning. And so that's one of the reasons that I created Jump First, all right, and Jump First Academy. And so there's that. So I'm going to put that there. Wisdom is the application of knowledge. Now, when it comes to courses specifically, I'm going to speak on what I know to be true based on my experience, as well as teaching others how to package their experiences, their expertise, their knowledge. By the way, if you are watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop, and we can come hang out live. I love hanging out with y'all, answering questions, and y'all just give good energy in the morning. And so I appreciate that. You probably hear Chestnut in the background. He is doing something, moving his bed around. I don't know what's going on. But I'm excited that you're here. If you're watching this on the IG live channel, you can head over to the YouTube Academy, the YouTube channel, Jump First Academy. Link is in bio, or send me a direct message and I'll send you the direct link. But I want to bring this really quickly. So wisdom is the applied application. Wisdom is the application of knowledge. Can you tell this is only my second cup of coffee? And so with that being said, is one thing to, when you're packaging your courses, even before you start to package, you start to market, right? Brand your courses, your programs, your services, your offerings. And a lot of times we are stuck in this mode of trying to prove our experiences, right? Like, it's exactly what we had to do to be in corporate, to get a 9-to-5, to go to university, right? All of those things. We've had to prove our experiences, to prove, right, that we deserve to be somewhere. It's kind of like an audition. Well, I'm here to let you know that online courses aren't like that. Like, the way that you're showing up for your people, the people that you want to help, the people that you want to serve, it's not necessarily an audition. You don't necessarily have to be proving your experiences, if you will. Ground, what's going on? Greetings from Michigan. I hope you have a great day as well. Thank you. I appreciate that. So with premium courses, there's a difference between trying to prove your experience and just walking in wisdom. Like, wisdom is already there, okay? When you have applied the knowledge that you've gained from your life experiences, when you've applied what you've come to know, okay, in this life, you walk in wisdom. It's literally already there. You can't help but do it. Again, if you are paying attention to what you're learning, because not everybody applies the lesson. Okay, we know this. And this is why sometimes, and I'm guilty of it too, sometimes we repeat the same thing over and over again until we get it. Okay, and so when you walk in wisdom, you don't have to prove wisdom. And so this is important when you're marketing your courses, but it's also important when you are putting the content together for your courses. A lot of folks, even after the sale, beyond the yes, beyond somebody saying, yes, I want your product or service, beyond them giving you the money for it, you see, and we typically see this with people who are trying to fluff courses, fluff results, even if it's not a course, a service, a product, whatever it is. They're trying to fluff the courses, fluff the results. You can tell when somebody's walking in wisdom and when they're not, because people would try to cram everything into this one product or service, and it's not results driven. So pro tip, when you are marketing and selling and creating premium level courses and products and services, your premium level buyers don't care about how much information is in there. They care about, will the information, will what it is that you're teaching me, the knowledge that you're giving me, the practical application of the knowledge you're giving me. Pro tip, okay, there should be practical application in your courses. Will this get me my desired result? I don't care if it's one module. Okay. I really don't. Matt, I hope that you have a good day. I don't know what you're looking for, but positivity all day here. Okay. So you're out of here. Have a good day. So, it's one of those things where you really have to be mindful, especially at the premium level, how you're packaging those courses and how you're showing up. Okay. Super, super important. So walk in wisdom. Wisdom is knowing, here are the parts, what you're giving people in your premium courses are, here are the parts that the experiences that I've had, here are the parts that work. And I'm not going to give you the mistakes that I made. I'm just going to show you exactly what worked. Again, because wisdom is the application of knowledge. Okay. So I needed to bring that. I know it's a sort of abstract concept. Not a lot of people are talking about it. And, I love to bring those kinds of topics to this platform because we need more of it. We need more of not just information, but how do we actually apply the information and move things forward? So again, there's not this thing of proving wisdom. Like we've been taught to prove our experiences, to prove, our worthiness, to prove that we deserve the job, to prove that we deserve to go into university or whatever it is, to prove that we're worthy of love sometimes, like, right? Been there, done that. Not ever doing that again. I just want to let you know that you are worthy, period. Okay, period, of love, of the love that you deserve and that you desire. Good morning, Big Cap. It's good to see you on. But walk in wisdom, y'all. Like you've lived enough life that we can now walk in wisdom and we don't have to prove that to anyone. And so when you're creating your courses, pro tip, only include the content that your clients and students need to get to their next level. You don't have to fluff it. You don't have to put a whole bunch of information in there trying to prove your expertise, trying to prove that you know what you're talking about. That's not what they're looking for. They're looking for the result. Okay, that's just it. Bob, what's going on? I hope that you have a wonderful day. Sending you positivity and love and encouragement and all those things your way. So that's all I wanted to bring. I won't make this longer than it needs to be. Very, very important. Walk in wisdom. Stop trying to prove it. Okay, just apply the lessons that you've learned throughout your lifetime and show up in a way that is results oriented, right? That's going to get people the results and the solutions that they are looking for. Show up as the example. I love this quote, by the way, and I don't know like where it came from. Maybe it's something I just thought of, but I've heard something like it before. Show up in the way that you wish someone else had shown up for you, right? Show up in the way that younger you would have appreciated, that role model that you're looking for. Show up like that for other people. All right. I love y'all so much. To get started packaging your courses, if you're interested and you're not sure how much content is too much content, what topic you should be creating a course about first, how to market the course, how to sell the course, how to brand the course, right? What strategy you should use, all of those questions that are looming. Should you use a hosting platform? All of those things that you've been thinking about. If you've been thinking about creating a course, get started at jumpfirstacademy.org. When you get over there, there's going to be a free 30-minute video. Like I talked about, there's no fluff there. Okay, we get straight to the point. I'll walk you through each of the steps that are required for you to find your topic, create your content, sell the course. All right, and then start to scale. And then you'll also see client testimonials, case studies, so you know what is possible and you can determine, is this the right next step for you? Again, the website to get started is jumpfirstacademy.org. propels.org. I hope this is helpful on so many levels in moving you forward, inspiring you forward. Please keep believing in you because I believe in you, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Big Cap, I don't know if I said good morning or not. I was so focused, but great morning to you. It's good to see you back on. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.